Today I'm going to show you how to change hair color in Photoshop. First, open your lasso tool from the toolbar. Then create a loose selection around the hair. Now go to Select. And select and mask. Open the View preset and select the overlay. Then drag the opacity all the way to 100%. Open your Refine Edge Brush tool. And just paint on the areas where the background is peeking through. Now open the Properties panel. Under the Output, choose the selection. Then press OK. Click on the Adjustment Layer icon, then create a new solid color. In the color picker, choose black. Now change the blending mode of this layer from normal to multiply. Let's name it Hair Color. Select the background or subject layer. Press Ctrl J to duplicate. Then drag the copy and drop it above the hair color. Right-click and convert it to Smart Object. Now go to Filter. And Camera Raw Filter. Open the Basic panel. Make the exposure -3. And the whites +70. And the saturation -100. Then press OK. Hold the Ctrl key, and click on the mask of the hair color layer to make a selection. With the selection active, click on the mask icon to create a mask. And change the blending mode to screen. I'll decrease the opacity all the way to 75%. We'll name it Shine. Let's go back to this. You can choose whatever color you like. You can choose red. You can choose blue, yellow, whatever you want. I'm going to keep it black. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.